I love this quote. Nobody ever said, I regret organizing my house. Hello, my name is Norma Galloway. Today I'm going to be taking a look at some organizing solutions and storage suggestions for you. So today I organized the kitchen. These are some projects I did around my house. So just wanted to share with you how you can take one room at a time, start in small space and organize the space to make it more functional, get rid of things you don't need, and just sort through things and see what is really beneficial to your space in your home and what is making the house look crowded. And those are the things that you need to consider, either donating, throwing in the trash, or keeping. So in doing this process, my best suggestion for you to do is to group things together. If you're going to designate a spot for pots and pans, then organize that space and make sure everything that has to do with that category is in that location. And that is the best tip I can give you going through your home to make sure that everything is in a designated space. When you're going through your cabinets, you want to just make sure everything is wiped down and clean when you're organizing, and then place liners in your cabinets to kind of keep it from getting stained up. And then you will be able to come up with some better solutions of how you want to store the things. Use your, I usually take the packaging take the food out of the packaging and just place them in some decorative containers, something that will utilize the space better. And I love glass jars because I can throw a label on them. And there's a lot of stores you can shop in to get really great prices for things that are going to help you organize the space. Always store items that are less used on the top shelf. And you can have corner spaces, that's dead space. So use some corner storage systems for that. Canned goods and things like that can go into storage containers. And if you're a tea or coffee lover, then you can use a drawer organizer, to kind of place all your tea and coffee all in one location. For more tips and information on how to get your home organized, please visit my website. Have a blessed day. Thank you.